Hello my dear students of Standard 10, welcome to Botany class. How are you everybody? Hope you all are well and safe by the grace of Allah. In this class we are going to discuss the last portion of chapter Heredity in Organism and Evolution. You know already we have finished the chapter. So today we will discuss the exercise part of chapter Heredity in Organism and Evolution. Now let's start the class. Exercise. Here is short question answer. What is RNA? I think you know RNA is a nucleic acid. You know in the nucleus there is two type of nucleic acid, DNA and RNA. RNA stands for ribonucleic acid. Okay. And what is gene? Number 2. Gene is the particular segment of DNA. Gene carry the one characteristics or more than one characteristics. And why is chromosome called physical basis of heredity? Chromosome is called physical basis of heredity because chromosome carries genetic information from generation after generation. What is an autosome? Autosome is a chromosome. 22 pairs of chromosome that is helps in growth and development of the body of organism. What does thalassemia means? Thalassemia is a blood disease that is come from father and or mother. It is inherited disease. Now see the everybody see the multiple choice question here. Where is uracil found? I think you know RNA is the correct answer because in the RNA there is uracil. Okay. Uracil is a nitrogen base and you know that nitrogen base are of 4 types: adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. But instead of thymine in the uracil, in the RNA, uracil is present. Number 2. Which one does RNA contains? RNA contains a ribose sugar. Yes, everybody see this figure here. This one is a ribose sugar. Inorganic phosphate. See this figure. This one is a inorganic phosphate. And nitrogen base. All of these are here adenine, uracil, guanine, cytosines are nitrogen base. So option D is correct. Everybody see this figure for number 3 and 4. Father and mother. In the father there is 22 autosome but only one pair is sex chromosome. If this one is a father, then the gamete will be X and Y, and if there is mother, the gamete will be X and X. So what is the number of chromosome in the state of X in the stem? X here autosome 22 plus X, that means 23. So the right answer will be 23. What type of chromosome are there in A and B of the stem? Here A is a Y and B is X and X because the sperm is united with the ovum. Sperm here the portion of X and the ovum will be X. So X is X and X. There will be X and X. So the Y and X is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. So everybody see this figure here for number 3 and 4. See the figure 44 plus XY, 44 plus XY. So when gamete will form the 22 plus X, 22 plus X. So everybody see the 22 plus X, that means 23, and X and XY. So 4 number will be X and XX, or Y and XX. Okay everybody, now let's see the creative part. Everybody read the stem attentively. Sifat is a farmer. He has 2 daughters. The older daughters look like her father while the younger daughters hair and complexion are like her father. She looks like her mother, as the mother has given birth to a female child recently. Sifat became aggrieved with his wife. One day he learned from the health workers of his village that he is responsible in determining the sex of his offspring. So, what is heredity? I think you know the definition of heredity. Heredity is the passing of traits from parents or mother and father to their offspring through generations. What does it means by replication? Replication is the process by which a new DNA molecule is synthesized from a molecules of old DNA. Through this process, the double-strand DNA becomes single strand by breaking down hydrogen bond in between them, and each strand causes the emergence of new strand. At the end, a new strand combined with another old strand forms a structure of molecule DNA. C number, what are the causes of physical development differences found in the offspring of sifats? Everybody see the figure. Here, as Sifat elder daughters is like his father, so the dominant gene comes from her father's face and the gene of her mother's face is located in her body as recessive gene. I think you know the dominant and recessive gene. In other way, the younger girl's hair color and colors of her body is like her father, but the face is like her mother. So the dominant gene for hair or body color in her body come from his father, and dominant gene for her face come from her mother. Okay, everybody. Now let's see the D number. It is irrational that Sifat got aggrieved with his wife. Explain why. Everybody see the figure. Sifat got anguished with his wife because they have only 2 daughters, no son. So Sifat think that his wife is responsible for having only daughters, but from health worker he can know that he is responsible for having only daughter, because if he wants a baby boy, then a Y chromosome from him have to make the XY chromosome pair to have a son. His wife is not responsible because female has only XX chromosome pair. They do not have Y chromosome. So it is irrational that Sifat got anguished with his wife. Now everybody, let's see the second one, creative question. Everybody read the stem properly. Sohail has seen on television that an exhibition of pet cats is going on in a town of Brazil. He saw that in spite of their belonging to the same species, they look different in size and color. Some days later, he watched a film about growing up of wild cat. His father explained to him the concept of evolution and adaptation when he became interested to know more about it. I think you know the answer of A and B. What is locus and what do you understand by the term adaptation? Now let's see the explain the causes of differences with the animals seen by Sohail. Everybody see these 2 figures. Sohail has watched on television channel that pet cats are being killed in a town of Brazil. In spite of their belonging to the same species, they look different in size and color. This happened because of adaptation. With the change in the environment, living creatures face different changes in them to survive in this world. This is the causes of differences with the animals seen by Sohail. Okay, everybody? Then what will happen if the organism in first group of the stem are left in the environment where the animals of the second group were found? So the D number will be the organism found in the stem are pet cat and wild cats. If the pet cats are left in the environment where the animals of second group found, then the first group will try to adapt themselves in the environment. There will be change in them to cope with the environment. Little animals have to fight or escape from big animals. Maybe some of them will die and others will struggle to survive. Okay, everybody, I think you have no problem now. If you have any problem, then I will solve it. This is the last lecture of your first term exam. Okay, next class I will take your next class when second term will start. Thank you, everybody.